What if glass could be made like never before, unlocking a future of energy, computing, and innovation? Introducing Subzero Imprint, the world's first Subzero glass imprint lithography. We shape glass at the nano and micro scale using light. No heat, no limits. Mass production at scale, fast, affordable, and perfect every time. Our microstructured glass turns ordinary solar panels into light-trapping powerhouses, generating more energy for less cost. Solar farms, now smaller, cheaper, and more powerful, transforming clean energy worldwide. Data centers that run cooler and greener, cutting emissions while boosting AI performance. Wearables and AR powered by thin, flexible solar glass, charging from light. Lighter, stronger satellites fueled by space-ready glass. Glass powering ultra-small medical devices, healing and monitoring from within. Glass that makes life possible in the harshest space environments. Glass wafers that drive the next generation of AI. Faster, cooler, smarter. Transparent, flexible displays and phones. Thinner, stronger, solar-powered. From Earth to space, Subzero Imprint lithography reshapes energy, tech, and life itself. The future.